Assalamu Alaikum. My name is Muhammad Furqan Aziz, and in today's topic we will discuss about the floor plans and how to put doors in. So these are some of the doors that we will use in this drawing, and we just have to copy it. CO, and just drag it to the position of 5. Then I will again copy it. Then I will mirror it. MI, and select the reference point. And for the source object, you have to select no. And then just type enter M. And drag them and put it in their place. Put them in their place. So for putting our kitchen, we have to again copy it, and then I will use rotate command for rotate command, and for doing rotate command you have to type RO rotate and then select any angle that you want it to be selected. And then enter M. Then put it in its place. And for specifying all those doors, we have to make a new layer, which would be selected by typing LA and then enter, and then you have to go to there and then name it like doors, and then I will change its color, which will be this 30, and then OK, and then double click it for activating this layer. Just and select all these doors and change their layer palettes, and then delete. Thanks for your time. Allah Hafiz. Hope it will be beneficial for you, and kindly subscribe my channel.